This exercise introduces you to arrays in C#, random class of .NET Core, use of where keyword, record class for holding data. Create a C#.NET Core console project as usual. You can obtain the completed project from the downloads attached to this video. Now I will discuss the code. Open the Solution Explorer and add a class called studentMarks. We will change it to record class because we have to store init once data. The syntax of a record with positional parameters makes it easier to define a data unit. The properties for ID, marks1, marks2 and marks3 will be automatically created by the compiler because we have used the record keyword. And again open the Solution Explorer so that we can complete the program.cs file. We shall use top level statements for writing our main function. We have used the where keyword to define an array of 10 records. The compiler can infer the correct data type from the context. After that, we have an instance of the random class so that we can generate random numbers. A for loop is installed next. It runs over the entire length of the array. The ith element of the array gets a student marks record. We do not have to write student marks after the new keyword because it can be inferred by the compiler. And we have used random.next to obtain a random number from 1 to 99. And next we have to query the array. The easiest way is to use the select extension method to obtain an enumerable collection of anonymous items. The select function accepts a func delegate that accepts one type, that accepts one parameter, and returns an object of a data type. And we have used a statement lambda that accepts a student marks item in identifier S and returns an anonymous type. S goes to new ID equal to mks is equal to, it returns an anonymous type. And next we use the select extension method by passing the above delegate as its argument. The select method calls the above function on each item of the array and returns an anonymous object. So we get 10 anonymous objects in the items enumerable. Notice that a shortcut is possible here. In fact, developers use this shortcut 99% of the time. .select S goes to new ID mks. The func delegate has itself been passed as an anonymous to the select function. Finally, let us run the for each loop on the enumerable items. And lastly, we can run the project. We verify that our anonymous objects are printed as expected. Thank you.